Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rate a buyer on Facebook Marketplace. So now, the first thing that you will need to do is to open your web browser. Either it was Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Google Chrome, or any web browser. After that, you will need to go to facebook.com in the URL and click enter. Now, you will need to create a Facebook account if you don't already have it. To do so, you will need just to click create new account and it will take you to the new account creation. So basically all you need to do is to fill in all this information and then you will click on sign up. After that, you will have your Facebook account that will be created successfully. Then all you need to do is to go again to facebook.com and then you will add your account, or you are going to log in to your account. So basically you click on login after you fill in your email and password and it will take you to your account. And now the last thing to do is to go to the marketplace, and now all it remains to do again is to follow these simple steps. And now all you need to do is to go to your buyer messenger, or the messages between you and your buyer after you confirm your sale and it is finished. And then you will go to inbox, and here make sure that you are on selling, so you'll find all your buyers here. In my case, I don't have them, but this can apply also to the sellers. After you go to your messages between you and the buyer, you will click on more option and you will find here rate buyer. This, if you don't find it in the more option, you will find it just on this button here, and you will then rate your buyer, and the rating will be submitted on Facebook and it will be rated. So this is how you can rate a buyer on Facebook Marketplace. Thank you for watching and see you next time.